guys, my name is Rahul and just my YouTube channel name is Speak with Rahul. You can join, you can subscribe and just I have written, you can see upon the board I have written all the structure of speaking English. So you can see, just I am going to make practice students. You can so first sentence I am going to ask in Hindi. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? If I speak this sentence by using a we do, तो you can say that आपने क्या किया? What did you do? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I did not do anything. आप क्या करना चाहोगे? What would like to do? मैं कुछ नहीं करना चाहूँगा. I wouldn't like to do anything. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा. I am not doing anything. आप क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. I was not doing anything. वो कहाँ रहती है? Where does she live? वो कहाँ रहती? Where did she live? वो कहाँ रहती? Where will she live? वो कहाँ रहती है? Where is she living? वो कहाँ रहती? Where was she living? वो कहाँ रह रही है होगी? Where will she be living? वो कहाँ रह चुकी है? आपको पता है वो कहाँ रह चुकी है? Do you know that where she has lived? मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ रह चुकी है. I don't know where she has lived. मुझे लगता है वो पुणे में रह चुकी होगी. I think that she might have lived in the Pune. मुझे उसके बारे में ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत पता है. I don't know much about her but I know little bit about her. वो क्या कर सकती है? What can she do? वो क्या कर सकती थी? What would she do? वो क्या कर सकेगी? What will she be able to do? वो उसे क्या करना चाहिए? What should she do? उसे क्या करना ही चाहिए? What must she do? उसे क्या करना चाहिए? What ought she do? और उसे क्या करना पड़ता है? What has she to do? उसे क्या करना पड़ता था? What had she to do? और उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा? What will she have to do? Second question I would like to ask you. वो क्या बनाती है? What does she make? वो क्या बनाई? What did she make? वो क्या बनाएगी? What will she make? वो क्या बना रही है? What is she making? वो क्या बना रही थी? What was she making? वो क्या बना रही होगी? What will she be making? उसने क्या बनाया मेरे लिए? What has she made for me? उसने क्या मेरे लिए कुछ बनाया? Has she made something for me? मुझे नहीं पता उसने आपके लिए क्या बनाया. I don't know what she made for you. But मुझे लगता है कुछ ना कुछ तो बनाया होगा आपके लिए. I think that she might have made for you something. तो आपको जाना चाहिए घर पर. You should go there. आपको आना चाहिए यहाँ पर. You must come here. क्या आप यहाँ आने के लिए तैयार हो? Are you ready to come here? नहीं, मैं यहाँ आने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ. I'm not ready to come here. आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? मैं महाराष्ट्र में रहता हूँ. I live in the महाराष्ट्र. आप महाराष्ट्र में किस पार्ट से बिलोंग करते हो? From which part of महाराष्ट्र you belong? मैं संभाजीनगर से बिलोंग करता हूँ. I belong to संभाजीनगर. ये संभाजीनगर कहाँ है? Where is संभाजीनगर? संभाजीनगर it is a part of the महाराष्ट्र. क्या आप कभी संभाजीनगर गए हो? Have you ever gone to संभाजीनगर? मैं कभी नहीं गया हूँ. No, I have never gone to संभाजीनगर. So that is the practice today, guys. I think you are watching my session and don't forget, don't skip the bell icon button, subscribe, like.